Hello guys, back again to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix, unfortunately, Launcher 3 has stopped on Invens A11. As you see, this is Invens A11. All you need to do is you need to go to setting, apps, and click on dashboard show system apps and scroll down. Scroll down to find your launcher. Here it is, Launcher 3. Click on it, click on storage and clear cache, clear data. Okay, after that go back to home screen. Welcome wallpaper widget touch. As you see here, now it is working fine. And if this doesn't work, just go to Google Play Store, click on search, and just type Launcher 3 and install it. Just wait a few minutes. Okay, Launcher 3 has been installed. Click on open. And set this as your default launcher always. I'll click on setting, go to home and click on Launcher 3. As you see here, now we have changed from Launcher 3 and everything is working fine. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe for our channel for our new upcoming video.